Hi everyone. Welcome to my bipolar days, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these videos. Anyways, so oh, I'm sorry. It's been one of those days. Been a long day of running around. And I don't know. I mean, I'm feeling better. I'm feeling a lot better since my doctor went up on my mood medicine. A lot better. I've been having more uppity days, where I'm feeling good and happy. So, and the holidays are coming up, so I've been feeling really, really excited. And I'm like in the Christmas spirit. Y'all should see my house. I got my tree up already. Got my Christmas decorations or out. And I will have to show y'all. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll show y'all my decorations. But anyways, me and my husband have also been doing our mukbangs videos. Mark and Rose, I suppose. Subscribe to that too, to that channel. It's me and my husband eating and talking. And and this channel, of course, y'all know I do this channel at night, late at night, because of my insomnia. Woohoo! Yes, I deal with that all the time, every night. So, anyways, it's 11:40 at night, and it is Friday night. So, what was I gonna say? I was gonna tell y'all something. Oh shit, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh my god. Okay. But anyways, so would y'all like to see my Christmas decorations? Okay, be right back. Guess what? Well, I unplugged my tablet here, and I don't have enough battery juice to unplug it and go in there and show y'all tonight. So I will in the next video. Okay, I promise. Anyways, but I just wanted to do a little vlogging tonight and just let y'all know how things are going. And anyways, I have been yawning a lot here lately. I've been so tired. I don't know why. I've just been so tired. I think my eyebrows sure do look darker. Because I tried to do them earlier, y'all. With an eyebrow pencil. Oh my god. They sure do look dark. And I think this one, I don't know. I just gotta practice some more. This one I kind of went down a little further than this. Oh, I just need to practice. So, and they're a little dark. Okay, but anyways, if y'all like this video, just subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Even if you don't like it, hit it anyway. And doesn't matter if you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. Uh, what does matter is that I do love y'all. And even the haters out there, give y'all a thumbs up. So, y'all take care of yourselves. And I promise when my tablet is charged up a little more, probably tomorrow night, I will give y'all a little tour in my house, in my living room and dining room, of my Christmas decorations, okay? I think y'all will enjoy it. Okay, so good night, sleep tight, and love y'all. Bye.